Hello guys, welcome to the C# tutorial. In this tutorial, finally we discuss the classes. Basically, what is the classes? Classes is a primitive data types. Classes is the abstract data types. Basically, it is a user-defined data types. It is very simple to learn that if you are a man, then you are not a man. Basically, you belong to the class. You are the instance of the man class. You have a particular properties, you have a particular behaviors, that's why you are a man. Simply, classes offer you to define your own data type. Classes include the four major things: the data members and the functional members. Basically, I say that the four basic things, that the data members is a variable, and the three functional members like a properties, constructors, and the most importantly is the methods. So let's begin with the programs. I make a class called class, basically the man class, and I define here a variable or field. You can say that the public string string public string, and say it a name, public string name. Basically, this is the public string name is a field, mean a variable, that's why it is known as the data members. And now I'm going to define our functional members. What I define here, the property. What is the property? Basically, property used for guard the variables. Your property guard your variables. I define my property by the help of a public string, my property type, and the name is a b. What it do? It get values and it set values. Basically, I say that property guard your variable, so it get values and set values. What get values do? It get value from the user and assign to the name. So name is equal to value. Name is equal to the, basically it is a set your values. Name is equal to the value, and what get it? Return the value. Return name. So how it work? First, I define the class man, and in this class I define data members and one functional members known as the property. This is the syntax of a property. What property do? Property guard your variables. It get the values and it set the values. So how it set the value? First we set the value, then we get the value. This is very simple thing. Now make an instance of a class man. Class instance is me is equal to new and man, the constructor of a man. We discuss constructor in the next tutorial. Now set the values by the help of a property. Me dot b. Basically, these fingers on a paper represent that it is a property, and b, me dot b, what value I assign is like a 7. I assign it my name is Wase. I assign it a name Wase. Basically, I talk about the values. So this everything you write here, it's considered by default a value and assigned to a name, and I need to print this value. Then the console dot write line what b, me dot what b. Simple. me dot b, and now console dot read line or pause. Now you can say that it print my name is a Vase. So what this program do? Simply I define a class man, and we say that class is a abstract data types, and define in it a data field which is a name variable, and a functional field which is a property. What property do? It's guard your variable. It's not allow you to direct access your variable. If I do it a private, then it not available in my main, and this program is still working. You can see that. Simple. I define here a private field name and a property which get a value and a set a value. It set value from which I assign here, and it's set to the name field. It's set to the name field, and when I call it me.b, then it's mean that b return the value automatically. It can be understand very easily by the help of the breakpoint. If I put the breakpoint here, then you can see that simply first it on me.b, then it going to the set the values, and set value here name is initially null, and value hold the name Vase, and when I put the now name assigned to the value Vase simply, and when I call me.b, then it going to the get and return the name here, then our program display the name simply. You can see that. So this is enough for this tutorial. You should practice the classes and the properties. This is very easy and very useful. In the next tutorial we try to learn the methods in the class. So bye bye.